If you're raw vegan like me, you've probably been wondering the same question. I've been hearing about this 2026 plant-based bundle everywhere. It's all over the place. Everyone's live talking about it. I'm wondering, is it for raw vegans? Because it says plant-based. So I went through and found every single raw resource in the 2026 plant-based bundle to see if it's really worth it for raw vegans. And what I found surprised me, and it might surprise you too. Let's take a look and see if it's worth it. If you want to browse the bundle yourself, you can click the link in the top comment or in the description, or if you're watching on Instagram, it's going to be in my bio. There's no commitment to click the link. And if you use my link, because I have 4 books in it as a raw vegan, it really helps me out. Just a quick side note, what the bundle is, it's a limited time offer that runs for 10 days every year. This is the 16th bundle. If you bought everything separately in this bundle, it's $2,702.10. That's why everyone's talking about it. With the bundle, you get a 98% discount on all these resources, and it's only $50. Now, let's take a look and see if it's worth it for raw vegans. So, immediately when I first start to scroll, the first thing I see is these beautiful hand salad wraps by one of my favorite raw vegan influencers, Lissa Maris from Raw Food Romance. Everyone talks about how amazing her recipes are. And in this bundle, she has hand salads. She's going to share delicious handheld meals, easy to make, innovative recipes, perfect for on the go and nutrient packed options. And just a little spoiler, that's not the only thing you'll see from Lissa in this bundle if you're a Raw Food Romance fan. Next, I look to the right and I see one of the most influential raw vegans online right now, Jillian Berry. She has her top 25 favorite raw vegan recipes in here. She talks about easy breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, fresh dips, desserts, and treats. So immediately, I see 2 of my favorite raw vegans. Next, I see juicing for weight loss. This is a 14-day juicing weight loss kickstart, daily juice recipes and shopping lists. Next, as I scroll, I see Rawlicious You. She has 21 fruit-only reset recipes, smoothies, bowls, juices, and more, and hydrating recipes for radiant energy. To the right there, I see Karen Calabrese, I'm not sure how to say it, but she's very popular in the raw vegan world, sharing in this bundle her 10-day sugar awareness journey, Sugar Break, Break Free from Cravings, Recipes and Reflection Workbook. Next, I see one of my favorite raw vegans, Chris Kendall from the Raw Advantage. He's sharing 66 plus raw vegan cravings busters, 7 themed dinner nights included, and raw burgers, sushi, pizza, and more. Definitely need to try his raw vegan pizza recipe. I'm going to also include juicing in here just because a lot of raw vegans love to juice. According to Trend, has 30 plus vibrant juice recipes that heal, the real story of healing through juicing, and tools, tips, and guides for easy starts. There's more than one resource by some of your favorite creators like Rawlicious You. She has Accelerate Your Dream Body in here, 3 soul-nourishing body tools, raw foods, fasting and mindset shifts, release emotional eating patterns. Next up, it's me with my book, Start Salading. 1 salad a day transition, simple salading habit builder, and a raw food health and weight reset. This book shares how I went raw vegan by having 1 salad a day and shares with you a simple system how you can change too. It also shares 8 of my favorite dressing recipes. Plant-based summer drinks. Bring summer to each glass. It feels vibrant and raw to me. That's from our friend Plant-Based Plate. Next, I see a whole row of Jillian Berry, and that's easy raw vegan recipes. She's got 100 plus pages of raw vegan recipes, juices, smoothies, snacks. She's got also another resource in here. If you're a Jillian fan, this bundle's for you. 30 dressings, sauces, and dips she shares here. Her favorite sauces, dressing, and dips. And as a coach, that's one of the biggest questions I get. What can I eat for dressings? Make raw meals more exciting and fun for the whole family. I love that. How to juice cleanse. She also has a resource in here, Jillian's personal favorite juice recipes and how to transition to a healthier lifestyle. I see another raw resource here from Jillian Berry. How to go raw. Start your raw journey with ease. Eat, simplify, and feel amazing. Cleanse, energize, transform. Next, I see another raw resource called Raw Roots. This is why I'm shocked. Look at all these raw resources in the plant-based bundle. We've got Raw Chef Yin, another one of my favorites. Her raw vegan chef journey, her first 5 years, how she went raw, ebook and video access. She also has another resource in here called Creamy Copycats. This is if you're a fan of ice cream, you've got to try Chef Yin's raw vegan ice cream. I saw her sharing this with her husband once, and he seemed to really enjoy these ice cream recipes. It's a favorite shop treat creations. She has an ebook and tutorial videos. I notice a lot of these also have videos attached. Next, Raw Chef Yin, another resource. She shares beautiful vegan food. This is a beautiful raw vegan food online course with recipes and plant-based video lessons. Who wouldn't want to learn from one of the top raw vegan chefs? Another one from our friend Jillian. She's got summer recipes for raw vegans. Go raw this summer. Delicious raw vegan recipes, juices, salads, sauces, smoothies, and more. Next, I see another raw resource from Rawlicious You. 3-day green juice reset guide, daily celery juice and detox plan, and a shopping list all included. Next, you know I mentioned Lissa from Raw Food Romance. This is her husband, Raw Natty Nate. He's sharing dude food. You can enjoy a variety of high fiber plant food, master ferments, sprouts, and smoothies. Simple roadmap for sustainable eating. Next, we have Crack, Spread, Repeat from Raw Natty Nate, where every crunchy canvas meets its match. That's high vibe snacks that fuel your body, nutrient dense recipes that hit hard. And then we have Cultivating Living Foods. This is going to be sprouts, krauts, and microgreens. I love the titles of his work. He's going to share with us how to cultivate living foods. This is a video course, how to sprout and ferment, how to grow microgreens. There's so much packed in here. And then another raw resource I found is Tales from the Tailgate. This is Lissa from Raw Food Romance. Her adventure-fueled raw vegan living, travel stories with healthy inspiration, and simple meals from life on the road. If you love to travel, this resource alone is worth it. Pause for Raw Vegan Perimenopause. This is one for women. If you're like me, pre, peri, or post-menopause, this is for you. This resource has 500 pages of information and recipes, transition tips, food and healthy habits, 36 raw vegan recipes for this phase of life. Regular price, $44. The whole bundle is $50, and you're getting all of these raw vegan resources. Raw Vegan Culinary Techniques, again, by Raw Food Romance. Special raw vegan techniques. Kendalize, I love that. Chris Kendalize, spiralize and dehydrate. 55 recipes to practice each skill. I couldn't believe all these raw resources. And then I found another one. This is by our friends Lissa and Nate from Raw Food Romance. Access to 3 community video classes. I mean, this alone would be $97. The whole bundle is $50. It's a no-brainer for me as a raw vegan. I would definitely be jumping on this. Recipes included in here too. All of your favorite creators came together, especially our raw vegan community really poured into this one. Freedom from food noise. Rawlicious You gives you a simple, raw simplicity for food freedom, emotional eating and nervous system support, and a 7-day reset with simple, raw recipes. And then another one of my favorites here, it's going to be Professor Spira. He shares Professor Arnold Ehret's mucusless diet healing system, annotated, revised, and edited by Professor Spira. He's going to share with you the plant-based mucusless diet that so many follow. Professor Spira is also going to give you a resource of mental fasting and rejuvenation. He's going to share practical fasting and detox guide, physical, mental, and spiritual renewal, and mucusless diet transition support. Spira Speaks, he also shares some of his dialogues on mucusless living and practical transition guidance. This is his personal healing journey essays included too. And then another very well-known raw vegan, Elegant Healthy with Dorit. If you know Dorit, she shares wonderful information how to choose wild greens for optimum nutrition. She's an advocate for living foods for robust health, seasonal salads, sauces, and dressings. Can't wait to try some of these. Rawlicious You shares another resource in here, a Fresh Start Juice Cleanse Guide, 3 to 40-day juice cleanse options. So wherever you are, wherever you want to start, she gives you cleanse prep, recipes, and refeed tips. Now, if you're not quite all raw, we have the High Raw Revival. This one is going to give you learning the basics of raw food, easy to follow video course, delicious ideas to help you glow. Then we have Jamie Love shares her diary of a recovery food addict and a 20-year food freedom journey. And part of this book is how she practiced her clean and raw living. Next, we have another raw vegan course by one of your favorites, I know, Jillian Berry. She shows you how to start a raw vegan diet, 25 plus videos, 2 ebooks, and a hypnotherapy audio even in there. So challenge yourself to change your life with this bundle. Next, we have Plant Creations, 30 raw vegan oil-free recipes. It's got juice, smoothies, salads, and more. Savory and sweet recipe favorites. I mean, you're going to have content for a year as a raw vegan in this. Raw Vegan Festival Recipes. This is by our friend Simply Raw Gorgeous. And you can see he's going to share gourmet Italian raw vegan recipes, festival meals and living foods, juices, smoothies, desserts, and wraps. This is perfect if you want to cook for the whole family and you love Italian cuisine. We've got Kiko. Namato Kiko is one of the nicest people that I've met in the raw vegan community. She has Japanese inspired raw vegan path. She's going to share her personal healing and transformation and raw recipes to nourish and thrive. If you've been looking for raw recipes, this is the bundle for you. And then we have my 3 books. In this picture, I'm holding my Start Salading book, but it's actually my Raw Vegan Transition Made Simple that I share, where I put in there my 3 fill-up framework guide, where I talk about how you can use fruit, salad, and community to change your life. It simplifies it for you. If you've tried before, this is great for restarters. Also, How I Went From Sad to Glad. This one I share my 4-step blueprint, how to transform your health, weight, and mindset with an acronym I call GLAD. And it also shares my personal journey of going from meat eater to raw vegan and how I found success with losing 55 pounds, ending 18 years of chronic back pain, and that ended in 30 days of this diet. And I also ended my seasonal allergies by changing my diet. So if that sounds interesting, this is in here for you. Raw Vegan Doesn't Have to Be Hard is the full title. I think it was too long. It's called Raw Vegan Doesn't Have to Be Hard. Let me show you the easy way. That's a gentle raw vegan starter guide. That is one of the things I'm most proud of that I've wrote recently. It shares 7 years of all the things I've learned and the last 4 years of really focusing on helping beginner raw vegans from a perspective of someone with a psychology degree, how to transform and work with your brain to find abundance over restriction mindset, how to overcome cravings with confidence, and how to use a raw community to transform your life. It's going to simplify the journey for you. And that's also great if this isn't your first time going raw, or if you're a beginner. It's perfect to get this from the beginning. But if you've tried before and it hasn't worked, I'm going to share with you how to finally make this lifestyle stick by working with your brain instead of against it. Then we have another raw resource, Raw Food Glow Book of Salads here. This is 45 raw vegan salads and dressings, simple sprouting fermenting guide, colorful bowls to thrive and glow. And that's by the Raw Food Glow. Then we've got another raw vegan resource in here from Gemlar Isame. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. I'm going to have to work on that. Raw vegan recipe collection, juices, smoothies, and savory dinners, simple living foods for vitality. We've got another material here from Tracy Sloan. This is going to be juicing for weight loss. I'm just scanning through to show you a couple of reviews that we've gotten on the bundle and how people are just loving it. This person here just got the bundle and is crying from happiness. So to summarize, is this worth it for raw vegans? 100%. Let me know what you think in the comments. So if you're interested in grabbing your bundle, you can click my link. It's right here in the top comment on YouTube. It's also in the description. And if you're watching on Instagram, you can go to my bio and the link is right there. Or you can DM me and I'll send it to you. If you order through my link, I'm offering you a free gift. It's going to be my raw vegan meal planner once it's finally ready. And I'm also entering you in a drawing that's going to give you one of 3 grand prizes to show my appreciation for encouraging my work in the bundle. And it's the first year I'm in the plant-based bundle, so I'm super excited to get it out there. Remember, raw vegan doesn't have to be hard. Join my beginner raw vegan community, the Amazing Transformers VIP Club. Grab your bundle. It ends July 12th at midnight. So I'm JJ, also known as Veganology JJ or Coach JJ. Join my community. I would love to work with you. Our motto is we fill up on fruit, salad, and friends who get it. I'm JJ. I'll see you in the next video.